my dear children. Welcome to Coral Publishers Eco Tour, a book of environmental studies for class 4th. Hello, my dear children. Let's begin with chapter number 12, that is plants. Plants are the only living organisms which can prepare their own food. Almost every organism depends on plant for its foods. In this lesson, we will learn about different parts of a plant. So children, as you already know कि plants जो होते हैं उनको हम autotrophs बुलाते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं. They prepare their own food by the process which is called as photosynthesis. इसीलिए they are called as the producers. Let's get started. Write the names of some plants you see in your locality. तो यहाँ पर आप उन plants के names को note down करेंगे जो आप अपनी locality में देखते हैं. Plants are living organisms like us. Each plants have different parts. तो plants के अंदर भी बच्चों different parts present होते हैं जो कि हम इस chapter में पढ़ेंगे. The main parts of the plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Plants have two main systems. तो plants के अंदर बच्चों दो system काम करते हैं. One is called as the root system and one is called as the shoot system. अगर हम एक seed को देखें तो seed के अंदर एक छोटा सा plant होता है जिसके अंदर से roots grow करती हैं towards the ground and stem grow करती है that is above the ground. The root system. The part of the plant that is below the surface of the earth is called as root. तो रूट्स जो है ये दो टाइप की होती हैं. एक होता है टैप रूट सिस्टम एंड वन इज फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम. नाउ टैप रूट सिस्टम, तो टैप रूट सिस्टम के अंदर बच्चों एक मेन रूट होती है और बाकी छोटी छोटी रूट्स जो हैं उसके साइड्स में से निकलती हैं. लाइक यू हैव सीन कैरेट, लाइक यू हैव सीन रेडिश इन योर होम्स. दे आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ टैप रूट्स. A tap root is a thick single root that grows down straight. It does not have branch roots. Small hair-like roots grow from the sides of the taproot. Carrot, pea and bean plant have taproot. Knowing more, roots taste delicious when boiled or pickled. The roots of South African wild fig tree can grow 120 meters down in the ground. The teaching tip include make the students understand the different parts of the plant and their functions. Take the help of different experiments to make the students learn practically. Now fibrous root system. कभी बच्चों आपने ग्रास को प्लग किया है गार्डन में से? तो अगर हम ग्रास को प्लग करते हैं तो हम क्या देखते हैं कि उसके अंदर रूट्स कैसी प्रेजेंट होती हैं? दे आर प्रेजेंट इन क्लस्टर्स, मतलब वो गुच्छे की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होती है. उनके अंदर कोई मेन रूट नहीं होती, उसके अंदर बहुत सारी रूट्स के गुच्छे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. एंड दिस इज ओनली नोन एज द फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम. Some plants do not have main roots. Such plants have many thin fiber-like roots of similar size और इन्हीं को हम बोलते हैं fibrous root. Wheat, grass, millet, bajra have fibrous roots. Knowing more, banyan tree is the most common and national tree of India. Knowing more, study of plant is known as botany. Now the function of root. Roots जो हैं they hold the plant firmly into the soil. इसीलिए वो प्लांट को गिरने नहीं देती हैं, वो सॉइल को अच्छी तरह पकड़ के रखती हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारा प्लांट जो है वो स्ट्रेट खड़ा रहता है. Roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. They prevent the plant being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. They absorb water and minerals. अब प्लांट को जो खाना बनाना है उसके लिए वाटर चाहिए, मिनरल्स चाहिए, तो ये मिनरल्स और वाटर्स प्रोवाइड करने का काम करती हैं रूट्स. दे absorb the water from the soil and deliver it to the leaves. This helps the plant to grow in desert and dry area. Root of cactus plants spread deep in the soil in search of water. They store food. बहुत सारे केसेस में हमने ये देखा है कि रूट्स जो है वो फूड भी स्टोर करती हैं. Like in case of carrots, like the radish, इसके अंदर you can eat the root. Roots of plant like carrot, radish, beet and sweet potato store food prepared by the plant. इसीलिए इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? यहाँ की जो roots होती हैं ये कैसी होती हैं? Strong roots. Roots of some plant provide additional support. तो कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिनको additional support की ज़रूरत होती है और वो कौन provide करता है? Roots provide करती हैं. Take a look at the banyan tree. तो banyan tree में आपने देखा है कि banyan tree में जो रूट्स हैं वो लटक रही होती हैं. दे आर द सपोर्टिंग रूट्स जिनको हम प्रॉप रूट्स भी बोलते हैं. Many rope-like growths hang down from its bigger branches. These hanging root growths are special roots. They act like pillars. ये बिल्कुल pillars की तरह act करती हैं और plant को support provide करती हैं. Life skills. Have you noticed the trees around you when you walk from home to school? Have you noticed how different they are from each other? Now have a look on shoot system. The shoot system of a plant is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. तो roots तो जो हैं they grow below the ground, लेकिन जो shoot system है it grows above the ground. It consists of stem, यहाँ पे stems present होती हैं, branches present होती हैं, leaves present हैं, fruits होते हैं and flowers are also present. 5th June is observed as the World Environment Day. Now stem. स्टेम इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट दैट सपोर्ट्स द प्लांट अबव सॉइल. तो स्टेम जो है बच्चों ये ही प्लांट को सपोर्ट कर रही है अबव द सॉइल. स्टेम इज ग्रीन इन कलर. इट हैज लीव्स. लीव्स भी ग्रीन कलर की होती हैं क्योंकि इनके अंदर होता है क्लोरोफिल विच हेल्प्स इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ फूड. इसीलिए ही तो प्लांट्स को प्रोड्यूसर कहा जाता है क्योंकि वो अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं. The stem supports the branches, leaves and flowers in most flowering plants. Along the sides of the stem, the leaves grow. Thick and woody stem. जब stem thick हो जाती है, woody हो जाती है, तो उसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? Trunk of the plant. The stem is covered with thick bark. Big and tall trees like banyan and peepal have hard, thick stems. Money plant and rose plant have soft stem. Stems also grow underground like potato, ginger. इनके अंदर क्या है बच्चों? They store the food and they grow underground. Stems are also grow underground. Potato, ginger, onion act as stems which grows underground. Functions of the stem. तो stem के बहुत सारे functions हैं बच्चों. The stem supports the plant. सबसे important function यही है कि ये plant को support provide करती है, एक structural framework provide करती है. It contains thin tubes for carrying food, minerals and water. तो रूट्स में जो पानी और मिनरल्स को अब्जॉर्ब किया है उसको लीव्स तक पहुंचाने का काम कौन करता है? स्टेम करता है. स्टेम के अंदर छोटी छोटी पतली पतली सी ट्यूब्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं जो हेल्प करती हैं इस वाटर और मिनरल्स को लीव्स तक पहुंचाने में. और जब लीव्स में खाना बन जाता है तो इस खाने को रूट्स तक पहुंचाने का काम भी स्टेम ही करती है. Stems carry water and nutrients taken by roots to leaves and then food is made by the plant. Stem stores food in some plants. Stems of these plants grow below the ground. Stems are called underground modified stems. Trees help to bring rain. Now leaf. Leaf is a thin, flat and green part of the plant that is attached to the branches, and leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They are the one which manufactures food for the plant. Different plants have leaves of different shape, size and color and texture. Most plants have green leaves. Green leaves के अंदर ही बच्चों क्लोरोफिल होता है जो कि सनलाइट को ट्रैप करने का काम करता है and helps in making the food by the process called as photosynthesis. It is most important part of the plant. It prepares food for the plant with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. This food helps the plant to grow. Parts of a leaf. तो अगर हम एक लीफ की बात करें तो it has a broad flat part जिसे हम बोलते हैं लैमिना. लैमिना के बीच में आप देख सकते हो एक ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर यू आर सीइंग. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द मिड रिब. और मिड रिब से पतली पतली सी थिन ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स निकलते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं वेन्स. तो इन वेन्स के ही हिसाब से हम लीव्स को दो कैटेगरी में बांटते हैं. या तो पैरेलल वेनेशन होता है जिसके अंदर वेन्स आर अरेंज पैरेलल इन द लीफ, या फिर रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन जैसे कि आप इस लीफ में देख सकते हैं. जिस जगह से लीफ स्टेम से अटैच होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं एक्सिल. एंड द स्ट्रक्चर विद विच इट इज अटैच्ड टू द स्टेम इट इज कॉल्ड एज द petiole. द फ्लैट एंड ब्रॉड पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ इज कॉल्ड लैमिना. There is a tube that runs through middle of the leaf which is called as main vein. There are many further subtubes starting from the main vein. These tubes are called as side veins. Some leaves have veins arranged side by side. The veins carry water to the leaf. The surface of the leaf has tiny pores. यहीं पर tiny pores भी present होते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं stomata. And they are important for the gaseous exchange. मतलब कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लीफ को मिलती है और ऑक्सीजन जो है वो लीफ से बाहर निकलती है। You can see these pores only through microscope, क्योंकि ये इतने छोटे होते हैं कि इन्हें हम अपनी naked eye से नहीं देख सकते। Now flower, flower is the most attractive part of the plant. आप भी किसी प्लांट को देखते हो तो you are attracted by the beautiful colors of the flower. Actually में flower जो होता है, it is the reproductive part of the plant which helps in the reproduction. A flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. We see many kinds of flowers of different shapes, colors and size. The main function of the flower is to produce fruits and seeds. There are various parts of the flower. Flower के अंदर कौन कौन से parts हो सकते हैं? It has sepals, it has petals, it has male reproductive part जिसको हम बोलते हैं एंड्रोशियम या स्टेमिन, और फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट जिसको हम बोलते हैं पिस्टल या कार्पल. Their beauty and fragrance attract insects or birds that play important role in the reproduction process. The leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. So you can see the flower here. It has a pedicel, then it has sepals, beautiful से petals हैं. फिर यहाँ पे stamen present है. Stamen के दो part होते हैं जिसका होता है anther और filament. Then the female part जिसको हम बोलते हैं pistil, इसके तीन parts होते हैं, stigma, style and last में ovary. Fruit. The fruit is the most important part of the plant क्योंकि इसके अंदर present होती है seeds which help in the development of a new plant. अब fruit जो है ये बहुत fleshy होते हैं, juicy होते हैं. That is why you all like to eat the fruit. A fruit is the fleshy structure of certain plants that may be sweet and edible in raw state such as apple, oranges, grapes, etc. A fruit contains seeds which are needed for the propagation of a plant. और अगर हम एक सीड की बात करें तो सीड के अंदर ही बच्चों बेबी प्लांट प्रेजेंट होता है जो जब उसको फेवरेबल कंडीशंस मिलती हैं एयर की, वाटर की, टेम्परेचर की, तो वो ग्रो करता है इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. स्किल बेस्ड एक्टिविटी. डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ रोजेस डिपिक्ट डिफरेंट फीलिंग. फाइंड आउट व्हाट फीलिंग्स दीज कलर्स एक्सप्रेस. तो यहाँ पर आपको इसके बारे में नोट डाउन करना है. Life lesson. Someone is still sitting under shade today because someone planted a big tree long time ago. Plants and trees around us. A forest consists of many trees. Our country has rich and beautiful forest. Animals find their food and shelter in them. We depend on plants and trees for most of our needs. Plants and trees around us. So you all know forests consist of many plants and trees. और हमारी जो country है, it has rich heritage of these plants and trees. इन plants और trees पर ही हम depend करते हैं for our basic needs. हम जो खाना खाते हैं, हम जो wood लेते हैं furniture बनाने के लिए, वो सब हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? Plant से ही मिलती है. Even the medicines, बहुत सारी ऐसे diseases हैं जिनका cure हमारी forest में ही present है. A forest consists of many trees. Our country has rich and beautiful forest. Animals find their food and shelter in them. We depend on plants and trees for most of our needs. Trees give us fresh air, food, shelter, fuel, medicines and many other things. Like neem tree. तो neem tree के बच्चों जो leaves हैं, it has antibacterial properties. तो ये help करती है to kill the germs. The leaves of neem tree are bitter in taste but have medicinal qualities. They are used in making soap. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is the biggest tree and even the national tree of India. They have roots that deep inside the earth. They attract many birds, squirrels and insects. So it is the home of various birds, insects. The branches of banyan tree produce offshoots that grow downwards towards the ground and form new roots that support the tree. People tree तो बच्चों हमारे देश में पूजा की जाती है people tree की. It is worshipped by Hindus. The leaf of people tree are beautiful. The leaves are used in leaf motifs. Bale tree. It is also known as bilwa tree. It has medicinal qualities. Surbi said that she loves to eat the stem of some plants, but her friend said that she cannot eat the stems of any plant. Who is correct, Surbi or her friends? Why? तो यहाँ पे आपको reason करना है कि क्या सुरभि सही है या उसकी friend. Now, wild plants. Some plants grow wild in our neighborhood and in the countryside. They are called as weeds. दे आर अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स। अब वीड्स अनडिजायरेबल क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि ये हमारे मेन क्रॉप के साथ कहीं से भी डेवलप हो जाते हैं एंड दे compete with our main plant for air, water and food. Because they affect the growth of the desirable plants, but there are many wild plants also that have great medicinal value. Some of the common weeds are Congress grass, dandelions, daisies and water hyacinth. Plants with medicinal properties. Some plants like amalaki and gugula are used to cure or prevent heart diseases. The fruits of plants like trifla, shilajit and haritaki helps people with pain in their joints. डोमेस्टिक प्लांट्स, तो डोमेस्टिक प्लांट्स बच्चों वो प्लांट्स हैं, ऐसे ट्रीज जो हम अपने घर में उगा सकते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड एज डोमेस्टिक प्लांट्स. दे आर यूजफुल बिकॉज दे हेल्प टू कंट्रोल पोल्यूशन. एक तो वो हमारे को एक ग्रीन एटमॉस्फेयर प्रोवाइड करते हैं, पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करते हैं, हमें फ्रेश एयर प्रोवाइड करते हैं and provide oxygen and give shade. The tulsi plant is an example of domestic plant. Some people who have enough space around their house have vegetable garden. Some people grow plants like lemon, guava, papaya, etc. which have large gardens. Trees like teak and sesame provide us with wood. Who looks after tree? In towns or cities में जो municipalities हैं, they look after the plants and trees. Municipality plant trees and flowering bushes along roads and take care of them. They also put barriers around the young saplings to protect them from cattle or being uprooted. Forest department take care of trees that grow in the wild. यानी कि जो forest में trees grow करते हैं उसकी देखभाल करती है forest department. They also plant trees in forest area every year. Trees are also grown in wildlife sanctuaries and they are numbered. तो trees को हम wildlife sanctuaries में भी grow करते हैं और उनको number करके रखते हैं. It is the responsibility of the forest department officials to prevent the cutting of trees. Wan Mahotsava is the festival of trees. तो ये एक ऐसा festival है जिसमें हम ensure करते हैं कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा trees को उगाएं और पेड़ों को काटें नहीं. पीपल लिविंग इन फॉरेस्ट, तो ऐसे लोग जो फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं आदिवासी या फिर ट्राइबल पीपल. दे ईट फ्रूट्स, रूट्स, फ्लावर्स ऑफ द प्लांट एंड ट्रीज ग्रोन इन ट्रीज. दे हैव ग्रेट नॉलेज टू आइडेंटिफाई प्लांट्स. दे ईट बनानास, फ्रूट्स, coconuts, figs, etc. They do not eat plants like ivory, bichu, booty, etc. The forest also provide a spiritual and cultural home to the tribals. The Adivasis look after forests. These days the government is trying to help the Adivasis to get education so that they can lead a better life. Writing skills. Have you heard about Adivasis? Write 2 tribes of India. Now have a look on revision time, children. Plants have different type of roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Main part of the shoot system is called the stem. Money plant and rose plant have short stem. Roots store extra food material. Roots are of 2 types, taproot and fibrous root. Some wild plants are useful while others are harmful. Forest department takes care of our forest. People who live in forest are called Adivasis or tribals. We have many trees in our neighborhood. Some trees have medicinal value. Have a look on exercise, children. Tick the correct option. A plant originates from the stem. A sacred tree worshipped by Hindus is peepal. Congress grass is actually a weed. Stem is covered with a thick bark. The place where a plant lives is called native place. There are dash kinds of roots. There are 2 kinds of roots. We get wood from tree. Now have a look on fill in the blanks, children. Supporting roots are found in banyan tree. Different plants have leaves of different shapes, sizes, colors and texture. Congress grass is a wild weed. People who live in forest are called Adivasis or tribals. Dash absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. So roots absorb them. The leaves of neem tree are bitter in taste but have medicinal properties. A dash is the most beautiful part of the plant. The flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Write T for true and F for false. Forest department take care of trees in the forest. This is true. We should pluck the flowers. No, this is false. Many weeds have medicinal qualities in them. Yes, this is true. Plants do not need water. Children, this is false. A plant has two parts, one that is above the soil and other which is under the soil. So this is true. We should not plant trees. This is false. We can eat root of some plants. Yes, again this is true. A sacred tree worshipped by Hindus is kikar. No, this is false. I hope you have understood this chapter nicely. Stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye.